In this video, we're looking at free VST drums to make music on Windows 10. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. I'm Radio Zane, and in this video, we're looking at 2 free VST drums to make music on Windows 10. I've included links to both of these programs in the description of this video, so you can easily download them and check them out whenever you like. The first plugin that we're going to look at is more suited for electronic styles of music and hip-hop sounds, as it's a drum machine plugin. BeatFactory Drums. It's available as a free download on Plugin Boutique. They also have some other free instruments plus some other drum machines on there. But now let's have a look and listen to some of the sounds from BeatFactory Drums. The interface looks like a typical drum machine. You have your pads at the bottom and your controls at the top. If you click in the preset window, you'll see several presets like 808, 80s kit, dubstep kits, hip hop kits, and more. So let's give some of them a listen. That should give you an idea of what BeatFactory is capable of. So let's move on to our second kit. This one can be used for styles of music where you want the sound of an actual drum kit. It's MT Power Drums 2. This is a drum sampler that uses the sounds of a real drum kit, and you only have the one kit in this plugin, but it sounds great. There's a mixer in the plugin itself, and you can adjust the settings however you like. Another cool feature with MT Power Drum Kit is the grooves section. If you want to quickly start making music, you can hop into the grooves section and audition some grooves until you find one that's the sound that you're after. You can then easily drag and drop it into your song's timeline. And you can always go into the MIDI clip itself and edit things if it isn't exactly what you want. If you're making rock music, pop, country, or anything that requires acoustic drums, this is the plugin for you. It can also be cool to use acoustic drum sounds in hip hop and other electronic styles just to change things up. Let me know in the comments what style of music you create or plan on creating. And if you'd like to see more videos where I look at software and hardware for audio recording, please subscribe to the channel. And if you liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. For Simple Green Tech, thank you so much for watching. I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.